Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing Patreon 2025 for July, part, I'll say 6 or 7. I do not know. I am totally out of mind. So one of those parts will be in the title of the video down below. We're looking at My Mini Factories. It's been a while we actually looked through My Mini Factory. A lot of the Patreon subscriber actually moved over to My Mini Factory in I think for financial reason in many parts. A lot of times people don't go and do monthly subscription Patreon and deal with Gumroad stuff like that. This will actually make it a lot easier because a lot of time Patreon will send you the link through My Mini Factory for a lot of their models as well. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out Patreon Discord. I'll be looking at some D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs as well. All link for these will be down below for you. So we got Bahab Balam. For this one, we have the NSFW and NSFW and collectibles waifus. Big old biddies in many ways. I think these are the welcome packet. Let's see here. We've got here. Vote for your favorite. Unlock. Okay, so let's see. You got some big old biddy ear. Cow Minotaur. I'm gonna go with the first one. Okay. You got more models probably for July. I don't know. I like the second one. There's Fearin, and that this is actually part of the thing they're doing for this month. This is Yeti Girl and Fearin with big old nipples, but I'm already late for that. I'm gonna get demonetized. All right, Bulkstar figures as well. We have Warhammer, looks like Proxy. Looks like we have Sisters of Battle or Space Marine Amalgamation Effort or Stormbringer, looks like it as well. Looks more like Stormbringers, proxies for you guys for Age of Sigmar. That looks like it's coming in. Thunder Forge Legion, yeah. Stormbringer for it. I think this is the whole thing you will get. If you want to change something Stormbringer to female figures, this will be it. And they, oh yes, they also have it in nude for your creepy pleasure. War Machine. This one is another Warhammer proxy. I think this is July release. This is more for the Dark Eldar esque. If you're into Dark Eldars, this is probably the best thing you can get for it in many ways. I don't know what the hell I just clicked on. Oh, it also comes with terrain. Oops. Oh well. Well, we can bring that back easily. I don't really edit. I don't really edit a lot of videos for any of this stuff, anyways. So yeah, War Machine. If you want Eldars, Dark Eldars for it, go for it. Or a Drukari. I don't like calling it Drukari. I always known it as a Dark Eldar. It was a later edition. They call it the Drukari. Fun Service STL. Another figure. This is the past one that I know of. Let's see here. Upcoming model Saba Samako from VTube. I really don't care for the VTubers. That's just me, Roy Mercury. Mercury, I already got this figure already, and you got the Ingrid is ready for it. That'll be for your month, and Miss Nagamoto as well. Very creepy, anonymous, just like the anime. Immature God miniatures. This is if you're into Nurgles. If you're into Nurgles, this might be it for $2 a month. You can get these little things. They're the great unclean ones. You got some fucking nurglings. For the what I don't know what this tank. I have different version of this tank, but yeah. If you into nurgles, this is probably it for it. For $2, how much am I paying? Early subscription, 750. For $2, I just what I well what else do I get? Man, for just $2. a month. You got the Image War set. I might just have to change it. You get your free Terminator, I believe. Yeah, looks like their version of a Terminator for it, but the relics, uh, that's probably for your Dark Eldars. But yeah, print your monster. They have theirs on Patreon. I think they moved it to My Mini Factory. I'm happy they're going back to this. They do a lot of little terrain and stuff. I don't care for it. And this is like for $2, get a whole bunch of like slime monsters. I already have those in the past, and we got the loyalty ones as well. And this July pack. This is your welcome pack here for your sea battles. Creature Crusade. I just got this. This is for is it a Dark Crusade or Trench War? Trench Crusade. This is for Trench Crusade stuff. I just started and getting into looking paying some Trench Crusade, and so we got that and that. So which faction would you like to see us tackle? I have no idea which faction of the Trench Crusade is, but I am heretics. Why not? But I think a lot of the Trench Crusade you can actually proxy into Warhammer as well that I've been looking at for many reasons. I just got this. You can check them out if you're the Trench Crusade. They're not that bad. I think they're like $2. Well, $7. I got a Crusade. You get Activist for $2. It gives you a free STL file for a creature as well. This one is Gauss Minis. It's also D&D slash Warhammer Proxy slash figures. You can watch a video of this if you like. Many ways. So we got roller skaters with orc and human. So diorama piece. This Miss Fortuna from League of Legends. You also got a busty thick dwarf warrior. You got a goblin shaman. Nah, goblins don't have a tail. Love, whatever. It's just Goblin Tribe Part 2. 10 squad of ninja goblins. I will literally just cut the tail off. Because goblins do not have tails. I'm guessing this person says goblin must have a tail. Yeah, I will cut that off and put green stuff over it. But yeah, that's just me. I'm a purist. And your welcome pack as well. So you can use you have your corn berserker ones here. A whole bunch of other stuff. There's a lot of crap you can do with proxying. Labyrinth model. This is D&D, I would say. I think this is a welcome one. Welcome exclusive ones as well for minis. July sets are vampires. I think we should see a better one. I think this is for August for Elephant. This is a bigger one. Here we go. This is the vampire set for this month. Uh, I do. This could proxy this from Age of Sigmar because there's a lot of vampires and undead on Age of Sigmar. But for D&D, I don't put that much vampires in. They're just too over. Unless you have a very powerful divinist and you have a character that knows what they're doing. I think a few will be great, but a big horde of them is a different story. Vampires are very tricky to actually play correctly. If you do play correctly, it's freaking deadly in many ways. But yeah, um, I just use Age of Sigma for vampires instead. I do like the art color and stuff like that. I'm trying to figure out the program for how to color it all these in. 'Cause I want to try to do that on my STL files that I got, so I can have a better idea. I don't really like using Photoshop, and I don't want to pay $60 a month to use Photoshop. I'm not. I'm too poor. Anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out Patreon Discord. We'll do part two of the My Mini Factory on the next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.